Hello writers, this is Hanisha Kapoor. I hope you are well versed with writing an impeccable introduction and product descriptions by now. Now I will take you through the process of adding the FAQs to the blog, which is also the last section of our blogs. FAQs or frequently asked questions are essential part of the blog where you will be given with the set of questions in the docket. The questions will be based on your keyword. For example, if your blog title is Top 10 Change Management Templates with examples and samples, you will get 3 to 5 questions on change management, such as what is change management? What are the 5 key elements of change management? What are the steps of change management? The key to write engaging answers to these questions is to refer the articles on the Google. For example, you enter the keyword change management in the search engine and you go through the top blogs or people also ask section at the bottom of the Google result page. Read the articles, rephrase and form a crisp and concise answer. The word limit here is 100 words. Kindly stick to the word limit to avoid flabby and plagiarized content. Make sure your answer is engaging and informative that provides value to the readers. The next section is adding related articles to your blog. Now I will brief about adding the related articles to your blog. You must interlink 3 to 4 published articles to your blog to make it a comprehensive guide for readers. Again, you will be given related post links in the docket. For example, if you're writing a blog on user persona, you will be incorporating articles related to user persona, such as customer journey, market segmentation, target audience, etc. You should add a line or two about the related blog as a question or statement and hyperlink it with the relevant keyword or bunch of words in your article. Write it in italics to differentiate it from your blog. Now I will show the placements of the related posts throughout your blog. You must make a space to add 2 related posts in the introduction. One you can add somewhere in the middle of the introduction and second one at the end of the introduction before you begin presenting the products. The third related post should be added after the conclusion in the form of PS. Please bold the PS to give it a distinctive look in your blog. Again, choose the important words or phrases in your sentence and hyperlink the related article. Important words could be blog, guide, PPT templates, slide, custom ready, PowerPoint templates, etc. That's all about the FAQs and related articles. I hope this webinar helps and make writing blogs a fun job for you. Good luck. Looking forward to reading your blogs. Thank you.